All right, are we back? We're coming back. Okay. I'm going to give this just a minute, and then I'll get started. Let me make sure everything's working here. Soundboard. Oh, soundboard's not connected. All right, try soundboard again. All right, soundboard's connected. Get some music going. Okay, sound is not connected. Connecting sound. Code screen is looking good. All right. Interesting. There we go. All right, music is here. All right, I think we're ready to go. Heyo! All right, so to ease myself back in after the long 2 months that it's been, first of all, I already popped the top. Still tastes like Mountain Dew. Okay, so I'm going to get back to the Dash Join project, but just to ease myself in, there's a small and simple project I want to shoot for here. Let's see if I can bring this back over. I had created a signing verification bit in JavaScript long ago, and I want to see if I can recreate it again using the latest tools. So this could be really short because it could be, hey, this thing's just not supported. So we've got verify. What we need to look for is the inverse of signing, which is to retrieve the public key from the signature. Let's see, normalize public key, verify, normalize signature. Okay, truncate hash, normalize public key. Where did public key come from? Verify. Because we want to do the reverse here. We actually want to find out that we can, we want to see if we can get the public key from the signature. If I look here, let's see. Public key, we normalize public key to get P. All right, so where's P used then? P. All right, add unsafe, multiply and add unsafe. P gives us R. Okay, no. So let me see. They're using a message signed with a specific dash address to sign things into something else. So they just want an easy way to verify that a message was signed by an address. So this is where this use case is not super common. Okay, get shared secret. This prop pub. Get public key. Recover. Okay, here it is. Recover public key. This is it right here. So we're going to use recover public key on the message hash with the signature, and then whatever the heck recovery is. That's probably whether it's compressed or not. Oh, that's the compressed bit. Okay. Got it. So, no, that's whether it's compressed is right there, which is compressed is going to be true for us. So what was the recovery bit then? Let me go look at the other implementation we have here. Dash message, github.com, dash hive, dash message. I don't think the recovery bit is stored in the signature. So we have an address like, okay, so we want to take, let's see, this one I think, is this the private key? We're saying we're going to take the private key, and we're going to take the message, and then we're going to get out a signature. We take the address, we take the message, and the signature. So basically we need to retrieve the public key, and then we need to convert it to an address and see if it matches. That's the deal. All right. So I think this is going to be a pretty simple little ditty. So we'll go ahead and we'll create a repository for this. Repositories, new repository. Dash message. We could call it dash sign. Do you want to call it dash sign? We'll call it dash sign. Alright, we'll make it public. We're going to have a little node repo here. Oh, and by the way, so we're going full on ESM now because since I have last been on, ESM has finally been adopted. I didn't know that this would ever happen, and this is why I haven't been using ESM for JavaScript, is because I didn't know if they would ever finalize the spec. But the spec was finalized for the browser last year in March, so March of 2023, and it was finalized for Node, or rather Node adopted it in March of 2024 this year as experimental. So within another release or two, it's going to be stable. So I'm full on ESM now. I didn't like using it before because all it did was break stuff. Okay. Maybe dash verify. And this is probably going to be so small. What I might do is I might have a dash sign, dash verify, and dash message. And they're going to be so small, I may not even publish them. They may just serve as, hey, here's what you copy and paste. And then later, I'm going to get back into the CoinJoin stuff. But now, you know, sometimes good things happen when you wait. It's rare, but sometimes just having some space and some distance from a project, occasionally there's benefits to that. And there have been numerous developments in my world that are making, that are good. And one of them is that I have now been using passkeys. So now I'm going to use passkeys for the dash join, for the dash join / wallet. Also got to get that P2P stuff finished. Got a number of things I got to finish and then get my next proposal in, which I know I missed 2 proposal deadlines since I've been gone, but this is life. I had to focus on some other things. All right, so dash incubator. Dash keys. I think that's all we need. So we're going to make a little CLI tool to start, because that's what's easiest for me to just, you know, put some ditty together and get it working. Oh, wait. Did I even create the package.json? I did not create the package.json. Okay, let's remove this. Whoops. npm init. All right. Dash message. No, this is dash verify. Yes, that is our package name. It's dash verify. We're going straight to 1.0 on this one. Description is going to be whatever we put on the GitHubs. All right. And then, yeah, we'll probably call it dash verify.js. And then, I don't know, we'll have node tests. Git repository is going to be... Why is it not pulling the Git repository from, you know... It already knows what this is. Why is it not just pulling it? Keywords dash sec p256k1 verify sign message. There we go. See license and license. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so let's just get this started over here in bin, and this is going to be dash verify. And then I think in here we're just going to do user bin. What's up, everybody? How's it going? Node use strict. And you know what else we're going to do? I'm going to have to, this is going to suck, but I'm going to have to update JS what? Because now, instead of this, we have to have this. I don't know why that's still happening sometimes. Am I... Alright, fix JSON, JSN, JS what? Ready your TypeScript. I don't know what's going on here. All right, so we're gonna do. Wait, we don't need to use that because we're gonna do import dash keys from dash keys, right? Is that how it works? No, import dash keys, and then sec p256k1. Oh, this is where it's gonna get nasty. Hopefully this works out. Okay. So we're going to have some sort of function here. We don't need to use strict statement anymore. Let's see. ES version. I don't know what version we're at now. But we're actually going to change this to false now. Because now that we're using ESM, we don't have to worry about that. Let's see. Error.stack or error. Okay, I don't like this music, so we're skipping it. All right. And we're going to grab... I'm going to say let... So basically, we need to have a verify. We need to have the address. We need to have the message. And we need to have the signature. All right. And then a question we have to ask ourselves is, what format is the signature going to be in? Do we know? And I think that what we should bank on for this is the signature being in... Well, we should try to decode it as hex, maybe. And if we can't decode it as hex... What is the... let me ask. All right. Let's see. Okay. So I'm going to guess that the signature is probably encoded as base 64. I don't think that anybody's encoding signatures. This looks like base 64. Let's see. That's raw base 64. Okay. Or RFC base 64, it looks like. Okay. So then what we'll do is we will... Let's see. I kind of want to trim the white space off the message and off the key and all that. So, yeah. Let's go with trim, trim, trim. All right. None of this is private, so none of this needs to be read from a file. We can read all of this right here. Okay, so if not adder, or not message, or not sig, and I'll just print the help. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. Oh no. Ah, dang it. That's not what I wanted. Go back. No, that's not what I wanted either. What? Where's the message I just had open? Where did it go? Oh well. Okay. All right. So we're gonna have our little. Actually, I don't want it to be error, but how do I want this to write to standard error because it's not. Well, I guess in this case, if I'm saying show help, then it actually should be considered to be pipeable. But I just want to do my typical thing. Usage, example, usages, 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Dash verify. Adder. Message. Sig. All right, so the example would be. Well, I guess if my example here was correct. Oh, okay, that's what was happening there. Okay, so if my example here was correct, then I should just be able to copy it. And then we'll have dash verify. Oh, it's good to be back in the seat. All right, what have I got? What do you mean unexpected token? Take your unexpected tokens out of here. Oh, I need to train GPT on my boilerplate. All right. I was just going to share a video and see if y'all had seen what you thought. What? What? Oh. All right, so all right, why are we having this process thing? Do I need to save types node? Did I have to do that before? I thought before that just kind of happened automagically. I wonder if I need to install the latest version of TypeScript, because I remember somebody else complaining about this problem. Okay, dash keys is defined whenever used. All right, so we're good here. And it's weird that it comes with the ability to detect that you don't have the types for node, but it knows that you need the types for node. Seems like it should just have the types for node. AI video. Apple and their stupid AI crap. Let's see if I can turn off AI any more than I already have. Presenter overlay is off. Mic mode is standard. I don't know what that button does. I just want to turn the freaking AI off. Okay. All right, so if we're looking for help or we don't provide the correct options, then we log the help. Otherwise, we're just going to log the thing. So with SecP256K1, I don't remember having the recovery bit over in the other dash message. That's what I wanted to look in here for. Do we have recovery bit or do we not? All right, so magic verify. We've got sig to pub, rsig. Okay, what was I doing? Making bytes minus recovery. Okay, append recovery. Dsig. All right, so what was dsig? Dsig. All right, that's the little bit of magic that I need. Okay. All right, I'll have to say, probably somebody wouldn't have figured that out on their own. All right, but I do need to grab my little bytes mabob here. Okay. All right, so where's my little bytes package that I was just working in? No, let's go to... I think I've got a good enough... Base 64. Do I not have that in here? Really? Oh, looks like that might be wrong. Okay. So let me get out of here. Okay. Oh, what was I just working on? I really wish we could get this stuff into JavaScript. We need to quit with all the stupid stuff and focus on the important things. Come on, people. Let's see. What was I just in? Oh, wait. You know what? I remember where I put it. So many different projects. I think I remember where I put it. Actually, I'm not sure where I put it. No, I put it in here. It's under lib bytes here. Come on! Come on! Come on! Oh, source lib bytes. All right, that's what I wanted right here. URL base 64 to bytes. I kind of want to split this into two functions, though. The URL base 64. Let me go see. Did I have this over here? Yeah. Do I have URL base 64 to RFC base? Yeah. That's kind of what I want. I just want to take this one. I'm going to take this approach. I'm going to take this approach instead. I feel like this is more clear. Because it is. All right. Duplicate identifier, URL base 64. Okay, fine. All right, RFC base 64. Okay, and there is a way that I can actually do a regular expression in the type, but it's a bridge too far. I think we all need to agree it's a bridge too far. right, that needs to return UNT array. All right. RFC base 64, RFC base 64. So we get rid of all this. And this is all the same, right? Let's just double check this real quick. Yeah, nothing but a space different. By the way, what's up? How you doing? Okay. Okay, so RFC base 64 to bytes. And then base 64 to bytes is going to be... Okay, so... we'll go ahead and we'll make this too. Base 64. And we'll say let RFC base 64 equals... That won't fail. Oops. There we go. There we go. Just we've got our bases covered. Do we have a little, do I have the, ding? Do I have that? No. That's the closest I got. Also, I don't like this music. I don't know if this one's going to be any better, but we're going to try it. Okay, so base 64 to bytes, return them, you got them. Okay. Great. And we'll copy this over into the other end. Okay, so We're gonna have to take that sig to sig bytes. There we go. And then we're gonna have to take the message. You know, message, we don't know what it is. But message could be anything. So I kind of want the ability... Gotta think on this for a second. Yes. All right, dash verify, which means I gotta go in here, and then I gotta stay in here. I gotta say, well, this is the module now. So was it it's like type is equal to module, and then I gotta do the thing, and gotta do the thing. Go find at root walk. There we go. Okay, and then that takes me to this issue, and then ES module version, and then I think in here I give what this has to look like, right? Yeah, so we gotta have imports, type module, okay. Oops. So let's go into package.json, we're gonna go right under main, and we're gonna say all the things, boom. So then we're going to say dash verify is going to be equal to dash verify. That's really the only thing that we're worried about. And we're going to say dash verify. And then we're going to say dash verify and bin. And I don't think there's going to be any lib. It's just going to be these things. So that's going to be all good there. Interesting. What version of Node am I on right now? Let's go grab the latest one. And then let's do the install tools again. Oh, whoops. Oh, how did I get over here into the wrong thing? All right, well, we'll let that run for a second anyway. You'll accept the risks. I accept the risks. I'm a risk taker. Okay, we get rid of this one. Okay. Type module. Got bin. Do we need to put the bin in there as well? I think dependencies should go after this. I don't know how this is set up. Repository, keywords, author, license, bugs, URL. Yeah, they seem to be changing the way they're doing it. Whatever. Okay. All right, so we got all this going for us. Okay. I think we're going to need to do the same thing with message. We're going to have to try this. Oh, let's see. And then I need this to be strict. How do I strict text encoder dot encode? No, that's what I meant. Encode. We also have to worry about normalizing the text potentially, but in this case, I think I'm not going to worry about that. But yeah, you get into a problem where you have accent marks in your text. So if I do this, depending on what keyboard I'm on when I do that, that's going to be a different representation. So in case you didn't see what I was doing there, I just made an accent character over an E. I'm going to make an accent character over a U, or an accent character. Oops. Yeah. So, bunch of accent characters, depending on how I make them, they're actually going to be different. If I'm using Latin encoding. Okay, dash verify. What do you mean can't find dash verify? Dash verify. I just declared it right here. Exports, dash verify. Imports, dash verify. Don't play that with me, son. I'll get upset. Okay, anyway. Alright, so text encoder equals new text encoder. Alright, so there we are with that. I don't know if I like this because it's not deterministic. So what we're going to need then is we're going to need a Does that work on Linux too? Alright, so that should work. Here we go. Error. Possible solution. Could not decode as base 64. Encode UTF-8 text before passing it in. And so then we're going to have here echo my message base 64. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take this one. Yeah, I don't want to restrict messages to being, I don't want to make those types of assumptions about the bytes. So we're going to do this. Wait, what happened? Okay, that just happened to not capture that. So base 64 message, base 64 signature, base 58 address. Okay, so that should be simple enough. Hopefully normal people can figure that one out. By normal people, I mean normal developers. Not holding my breath or anything, but you know, it's pretty normal. Oh, you know what I should do? All right. Okay, so let's take a look at that again. Yeah, we're just going to do echo base 64. Okay, what if we do printf instead? Very important. Okay, so that's what we need. Okay, so let's try this. Yeah, that one had the wrong bytes. Oh. Whoops. Okay. All right, so let me actually move these. Export default dash verify. There we go. Okay, so dash keys, dash verify. I don't remember what this 27 plus 4 is about. It's too bad I didn't document that. Computes the public key from the message's magic hash. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh no. Ugh, magic bytes. Magic bytes are the worst. What the letter L were these people thinking? Dark coin signed message. Right. Okay. Okay, alright, so... Alright, so this is... It is slightly more complicated than... Yeah. Sig to pub. Okay, yeah, alright. So there is some message stuff going on here that is not as simple as previously thought. It never is. It never is. This is not news. Let me see. Let me see if Jippity knows. All right, these values. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Well, you know, I don't. I'd have to go look at the code again. Oh, well, whatever. I wonder why that would be. Probably has something to do with the bits. So 31 bits. So it probably has more to do with something like... What is that going to be? So it's going to be 1, 5, no, 3, 8, right? So we're saying 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus, no, sorry. 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 2 plus 4, that's 7. Plus 8 is 15. The nibble. So we're saying, hold on. What are we saying here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no, there was one too many there. Ah! Okay, so now we need to go grab this recover. Recover public key, okay. Good. Recover public key. Okay, we need to take the message hash. Dang it. Okay, so that's where we got to implement all the weird stuff. Brah. Okay. So we do need the magic verify. Because we need the magic hash. Ah, here it goes. Here it goes. All right, well, there we go. Stupid magic stuff. I see what's going on. I see what's going on. All right, so the signature is not just a normal signature. It's got the I in front. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is going to be a full-fledged library. I may indeed call it, well, I don't know what we'll call it, --sign, -verify, maybe publish it as both aliases, but confirmed. Magic concat. No, why? Okay. Variants again. All right, Jippity, get to work. All right, so we're going to have the magic hash. All right. Magic concat. Magic bytes, message bytes. All right, let's go ahead and grab from -tx here. We've got the double hash in this already. There we go. I'm pretty sure this is the same. So global this Crypto. All right. All right. So what do we got here? All right. So now we got the double hash in place. But actually, you know what I want to do? I want to re-expose it here. All right, so we got some magic bytes. We got some message bytes. What else we got? I gotta go grab the variant code. Go grab that again. There we are. To varint. Let's take a look at the GPT version. I'm actually not worried about the super big ints. Write me a uint 8. I need to concat uint 8 arrays. You use for loops if where looping is needed. Looks great. We really don't have a function for this. We really, really don't. Ugh. Maybe I really should just make it magic concat. Alright, we don't need to worry about that. Keep that simpler. Okay, this is getting too complex. I need to go back to the other one. Alright. What was the... Meh, meh, meh. I don't really like this. Alright, why is it still griping at me? Probably tons of reasons. Let's clean all this up. Yeah, I don't think we need that. Let's see if I can try to merge these two together. Okay, 2 var int size. Here we go. That's what I really wanted. Eh. Oh, I like that. Alright, where was... We got the double hash, we got the magic hash. Gonna get the encode going. Okay, I see what I'm doing there. Yeah, I kind of do need the size thing. Because then we'll just pass in the size. Right, what are we doing here? Alright, so 253. Yeah, actually, I like this. I actually do like this. Alright, so JS_RC, we're going to have to change bitwise to false. Or, you know, I don't know. Let's use, okay. Yeah, we're gonna go with this. $16. Is that right? Because we're saying it's... Okay, so for the few where it wastes an extra byte, we're just doing UN 16, right? All right, there we go. I like that best. That's what we're going with here. All right. All right. U8. I don't think we're using max U8, are we? Memo size is greater. Okay, so for memo size we are. We're not going to use that here. Great. Kind of like the idea of U16 max instead, but we'll go with this. We're not using anywhere else anyway. Okay, so back to the task at hand. I think this should be less than or equal to, if I'm not mistaken. Let me go double check that. Less than or equal to, less than or equal to. Yeah, good. We don't want to mess that one up because these are reasonable numbers. There we are. What's up, kiddos? That's right, Ado. You're not allowed behind the shed, buddy. What are you up to, Addy? Okay. So what I'd actually like to do is just have a loop here. Write me a function to concat a list of uint 8 arrays. Using loops. There we go. That's what I wanted. All that nonsense. Ah, crap. See, this is easy enough. But this stuff, man, that gets me every time. Does that get evaluated before, or does it get evaluated after? Nobody knows that. According to this, it gets evaluated after. All right. All right, so this isn't as optimal as I'd like it to be, but it's okay. We don't need optimal. We just need the quick ditty, the quick 10-line ditty. Because I forgot, cryptocurrency bros can't be bothered to use standards. No, they have to invent everything. They have to roll their own crypto every time. Every time. Heaven forbid we just use the standard library hash functions. Heaven forbid. Of course, I've got the same problem with WebAuthn and web crypto. What's up, sweetie? Not right now. But put it in the garage. Go put it in the garage, and then next time I'm in the garage, I'll blow it up more, okay? Okay, where am I at? So we're doing the concat bytes. That's just regular concat bytes. I could have sworn we had something like that. Do we really not have uint 8 array concat? Do we really not have that? I thought we had that. I know. Yeah, that's it. Wait. What? Set? Ah! Okay. That's what I thought. Okay. There we go. That's what. Okay, we don't have concat, but we have .set. That's what we got. Okay. That makes me feel better inside. Much, much better. Okay. Okay. There we go. That's better. Whoops. Okay, we can live with that one. Okay, yeah, I like it. I like it. It's good. It's good. All right, so now that we've got that, we've got our varint method. Now we can go back over to our, what was it, magic hash? Magic concat? Okay. So now, all right, so we're going to take the magic bytes length. And this one's known, so that we can actually just... We can just have that as a magic prefix, really. Yeah, it's weird that they use yet a different signature for the voting messages. The proposals, I mean. Everything's got a different signature. Everything's got to be reinvented. Every time. Alright, so dash verify.utils.concat bytes. And then this actually should be able to unroll the loops, since this is the only place where this is called, under the hood. I really want this to break down onto multiple lines. I don't know if it will, but I'm going to try to make it do. Nope, it won't. That's fine. Okay, we'll go with it. So it's not even magic prefix. I don't know what I'm calling that. Okay, that makes more sense now. So it's not just magic prefix. It is specifically relative to the size. So magic var size, magic bytes, message var size, message bytes. Why it needs to concat all of those together, who knows? But that's what it's got to do. And then we're gonna double hash. Okay, so we don't need to do anything special. Oh, tell me. Yeah, just spray it off. Spray it off the top. Love my kiddos. Okay, what are we doing here? All right, so let's check on the magic concat. What do we have here? All right, the double hash we got done. The magic concat we got done. All right, so magic hash is magic concat double hash return hash, right? So we got that all done. All right, so. But that's not done yet, is it? Magic concat. Maybe it is. All right. So then our verify function. All right. Oh, Baba. What does that mean? Has no default export. What does that mean we have to do instead then? Does that mean that we have to use something like this? Alright, node modules. Dash incubator. Ugh. This is so stupid. Bah. What do you mean it doesn't have a default export? Alright, so we got magic hash, we need magic verify. I think we actually should go with what is it? Pub key hash. Let's just make that PKH bytes. Okay, so I think we will actually not use this here. Instead, we will leave that back over here. Oh, I think I know why that was freaking out that way. Okay, because we still had the use strict there. Maybe I was thinking it was exports like that. And I kind of think there's no real use in knowing about that. That's really a hardcore implementation detail. So I'm going to lift that back up. Because there's nothing gained by exposing that. Okay, so we're not going to do magic verify. Instead, we're going to do magic. Let's see. I ordered something off of Amazon. What? Weird. I ordered an item. There was a problem with the order. They refunded it rather than just sending it. Kind of weird. But they processed the refund as if I had returned the item. So they marked it as shipped, then sent me a message saying that it would get refunded. Let's see if I can just click the button again here. All right. One-time purchase. Buy now. Place your order. It's just kind of weird. Why would they refund it rather than just sending it to me? Anyway. Okay. Okay. Magic sig bytes dot subset, right? I'm just gonna Do subset 1.
Or that this one, and they don't finish deep in the water.
Okay, well tell him not to do that, please.
Yeah, I did tell him to do that, but he keeps doing it.
Oh, let me talk to him for a second. Hey, Ado! Ado! It's for the fish tanks. Okay, and we're back. Okay. So what was I going to check out? I was going to check out new uint8. No. uint8. All right. Dot from 4237 to 511 subarray. That's what it is. Okay. That's what I wanted. Not subset, subarray. Okay, so we're going to have subarray. And then we're going to have compressed is true. And then we're going to have recovery is okay. Now, do we want the whole subset?
The other done. Daddy,
What's up, sweetie?
is this one that I will do? This one that I can do?
All these empty ones. All the ones that are empty.
This one doesn't have the written on it.
That's okay. Thanks for noticing. I am so proud, Abby. You should be proud doing your chores like that. It's very good.
I know. I didn't have help opening it.
Okay.
I just wanted the girl.
All right. Ah, wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. So we got the signature. We return the signature. Magic decode signature. Yeah.
Drinking with water.
Are you filling them up the way that I showed you?
I'm filling up all the way.
Yes, but are you filling them up by putting them in the tub? I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay. You can bring them here too if you want to bring them here. That's fine too. And there's more jugs afterwards. All right. All right. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Well, bring me the full ones. Bring the full ones here. All right. Okay. One kid doing the chores, the other kid undoing the chores. All right, magic concat, decode magic signature. Okay.
There's one more fold. These are the two folds. There's one more.
All right, you know what? I'm going to use these right away. Whoa. Yeah, so these ones, they can be refilled again. You're doing a great job, Adam.
Oh.
Keep at it.
It's just I don't want to start all over again.
Yeah, well, as you get them done, bring them here.
Okay. So that you can fill up all your fizzy things.
Yep.
Every day will I do this job?
Not every day, no.
Then how will I know not to do it?
When there's no water in the tub.
When there's...
So when the tub's empty, you won't do it. So you'll just check the tub, and if the tub's full, you'll do it, the tub's empty, you won't do it.
So you have like a big clean water space, and then you put it inside the thing. Will it have to do tomorrow as well?
Maybe, yeah, because we might have more water in there tomorrow.
More water gone.
Yeah, because I haven't done it in a while, so I need to fill up things with water. So keep on going, Addie. Keep on going. Thank you so much.
And Ado, he's just pouring them back into the bin.
Yeah, so you get it done, you bring it in here, okay?
Okay. So
Just do one or two at a time. Thank you so much, sweetie. Yeah, I'll have to show you what I'm doing, too. All right, so here we are, back at, not this, I'm talking about with the fish tanks. I just wanted to go ahead and load those up. All right, so we're going to have a verify function. So what are we doing? We're doing magic message bytes.
because he's taking the jug and
Well, just keep going it. Just keep doing it, sweetie. Do the best you can. Oops. Let's see. Is this something that typically would need to be done asynchronously? I think we will just throw the async on here just to be safe. Okay. All right, so
another one coming
thanks, sweetie.
in. Are you gonna use it?
Not right now. I'm going to continue doing my work. Okay, so then we need to type def these at callback recover And we're just going to use our
They're both pretty heavy.
Thanks, sweetie. Okay, and then for recovery, recovery is an int, right? Okay. Thank you, sweetie. Okay, so I'll have to come back and complete this a little later. I don't know if it's always the way. I was thinking this was going to be I was thinking this was a 10-line ditty because I was thinking, "Oh, I'm just doing a normal signature verification." Of course not. Of course not. When am I ever doing a normal signature verification? I'm not. Never. Okay, so recoverer. And we've got the verifier. So
Got another one done.
What really matters is the formula.
Oh, wait. No, 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 no. That's not... We don't need the verifier. We don't actually need a verifier. Because the verify step is that once we've recovered the public key, because normally what we're doing is checking the public key. Oh, great. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You don't have to be sad about it.
It's still hard work.
Yeah, yeah, it is. That's why I'm glad I've got you to help me out.
Just at the end of the day, I remember you said this is a new sword.
Yep. Oh. All right, compressed recovery bytes. Well, here we go. Yes. Okay, give me a minute. Okay. All right. Okay, we're right here. Almost to the point where we can test, but not quite at the point where we can test it. All right, verify magic signature.
I'll be here too. It's a promise. Thanks, Squall. Next time we'll meet for sure.
Sure. But she left. Just disappeared. I'm afraid. Afraid of having that comfort taken away.
You were afraid of losing us?
Now that makes 5.
I was always alone.
Squall, you missed out on all the good things in life. I don't want the future. I
Okay. I think this is about right. All right, so we got pub key bytes, and then we need to do okay, so what we need to do is I think we can do the PKH with just the double hash. Let me check on that.
The way. And I failed off one of the.
Okay, well here. Take this one.
Okay. Then what's gonna happen to that?
I'll use it shortly. Okay, here we go. Ah, ripe MD 160. Okay, so then yeah, so this is going to be recover pub key, maybe. I don't know, we could leave this here, but then we would need to add...
Now that's 6. Wait, is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? No, 8.
Okay, so I'm going to have to go.
I just found
But hold on.
doing.
Oh, great. Thank you. So I think I'm going to have to split this into two functions. One is going to be verify magic signature. The other is going to be recover public key. So I might want to prefix all of these with magic. Decode magic signature. Magic recover. Verify magic signature. Because it's not a magic public key. It's just a magic recovery. So I think I'm going to have to do this for all of them. And then I need to go. I will resume later. We'll get this done. We'll get this done. Let's see. I just make a little note. Okay. All right, with that, I'm out. Adios.